I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loop.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a nice, quick and easy speed clean to help you tackle your to-do list today. So I'm just going to be whizzing around, getting everything put back where it belongs, ready to start the day. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave this video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. The first thing that I wanted to do today was to make the bed. I love getting into a freshly made bed at the end of the day, so as long as I do it in the morning or some point during the day, I'm happy because I just love a nice bed to get into. So once I've done that, I'm then going to take down the cups and glasses that were left in the bedroom and crack on with the washing up. There's always washing up to be done, so I'm going to put away the stuff that I did the night before and then wash up anything that was left this morning. I love having a decluttered kitchen, and I always like to start off with the sink. So once I'd finished washing up the few bits that were left, I'm just going to go ahead and dry them up and get them put away so I can go in and clean the sink, because you know I love having a nice shiny clean sink. It just completes the kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and put everything away so it's decluttered and I can then just go in and give everything a good clean. So I'm just going to go in with the Flash all-purpose spray and a minky. I love giving the sink a good scrub over, so I'm just going to make sure that all of the stains and everything that might be stuck to the sink is gone and it's nice and disinfected and clean. Then I can go back in with my white vinegar spray and a dry microfiber cloth. I just feel like this buffs it up a little bit more and just makes it extra shiny.
I'm falling down. I see your face on all of the pages in the scrapbook of my mind. To put it down for a while takes ages. Then I'm falling down, down, I'm falling down. I'm thinking of you.
So once I had the sink nice and shiny and just looking beautiful, it's time to fill it up with some warm water and Zoflora. Today I'm using the winter spiced and it smells so beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down all the sides, disinfect everything and just get it nice and fresh for the day.
I know it's crazy, but I can't help it when I'm falling down, down, I'm falling down. I'm thinking of you every day, a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Every day, a million times, just when I'm thinking of you.
So once I'd finished doing the kitchen, it was time to go through into the front room and just give it a good tidy up, get everything put back where it belongs and just freshen it up ready for the day, getting it looking a little bit more put together. As you can see, it's looking very dishevelled at the moment. So I'm just going to go in, sorting out all of the throw blankets, cushions, just getting everything put back where it belongs, doing the polishing and the hoovering and getting it nice and cozy for the day.
You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces.
I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to my Instagram down in the description box because I would love for you to follow me over there as well. If you want to see what I'm up to when I'm not here on YouTube or any behind the scenes of these videos or just home decor updates before they're shown on YouTube, then Instagram is definitely the place to be. I post on there every day, and if anything new happens to the home, it's always on Instagram first because I do have to pre-film these YouTube videos. So if you want to be one of the first people to see any updates, home decor or otherwise, then do go ahead and follow me over on Instagram.
You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
So once I'd finished giving everything a good polish and everywhere was tidy, I just wanted to go in and give it a good hoover. I'm going to go ahead and link this hoover down in the description box just in case you want to check it out. It's the Vax corded, and I'm also going to link the cordless one as well. I use both of them. I love both of them, but obviously the corded one is more powerful, and today I just wanted to give the living room that extra boost. So I'm just going to go around giving everything a good hoover, making sure everything is nice and clean and fresh for the day. I really hope you've enjoyed today's quick and easy clean with me. I hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Don't forget to go ahead and leave it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you back here in the next one.